Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain you the website design best practices for weak internet connection or users on a low bandwidth. This could specifically work well if you are an NGO serving in a country where the internet connectivity is not to a global standard, an employment website or a government website or any other uh, business who is trying to serve at a global level. This video is for you because you need to implement website design practices for a global audience if that's your end goal. So you can take these tips and implement on your website. To begin with, just a second. Limit your page size to improve your load time. Especially this is true for any business website or an e-commerce store. You need to implement your JavaScript, your web page structure in a way that it shows the most important stuff to the user at a very fast speed, so that they can understand what the web page is about, what the most critical information for them to see, and then later on you can implement certain tricks like lazy loading or something to showcase uh, uh, the the sections of the website as they scroll down. This is very important for a good user experience, especially if you have a large website serving a global audience. Even though if you don't have a large website and if you're serving audience in a weak internet connection areas, it could be in sub-Asian countries, African countries, or remote, or some European countries where the internet connectivity is not up to the mark. You can implement such things on your website to improve the user experience. More text for images. Try to uh, have have images which are compressed, which support your content. Try to have written content so that users can come, scan the website, get the information, make a phone call, submit an inquiry. That's your end goal. That's your main objective of a website. So that people should come, find information. If they're interested, they will call you or book a meeting or submit an inquiry to gather information. Compress and optimize images. I've seen this thousands of times that the websites keep on loading, and then never show to come to the home page. It takes 5 seconds, 10 seconds, at times 15 seconds. This is a really bad experience, and people are going to click the exit button and go off. If you are an e-commerce store, you should seriously look into this. And again, this is true in your case if you're serving to a weak internet connection. Try to minimize the use of images as much as possible. Modify JavaScript code and CSS code so that your site, the entire site database and the file size is low. It loads faster and it gives a good experience to your user. So that they can, again, your end users are not technical, they are coming to your website to gather information. So your most important aspect should be to show them what they want at the very beginning. Remove unnecessary plugins from WordPress admin panel if you are using WordPress to build your business website. This is very important to understand that you do not need to use multiple plugins to achieve the same output. Be it for image optimization, caching. Do remember that and delete them, things that you're not using on your site. Avoid PDFs. Simple thing is people are these days are coming to websites to scan web pages. We don't want to give them additional burden of avoiding PDFs. Especially this is true if you're serving to a weak internet connection, because the download times also comes into the factor. So make pages scannable, easy to read, more content, less images, and avoid any kind of download stuff for them. Unless if it's mandatory. Caching is important so that once they come to your site, the browser records it, and when the next time they visit, it improves the site performance. So this is very important. Minimize the website redirect so that people don't jump from one page to the other and they keep on doing it. It gives a very bad experience. Intuitive user experience is very important. Show them clear dialog boxes, call to actions, clear website navigation. All these factors help in improving the site conversions and the trustability and likability of your website at the eyes of your buyer. So for any trade inquiries, you can contact me on my website if you need any help in optimizing your website or designing a site from scratch. I serve all service-based businesses and NGOs and e-commerce stores. I'm a web strategist and I'm happy to help you achieve your target goal. Thank you.